In this video, I'll be showing you how you can filter matured content on YouTube Music. So if you have a child that uses YouTube Music but you don't want them to listen to some bad type of music, then that's what you need to do. There's the settings you do. So you filter the bad songs from their YouTube Music, so they listen to songs with only good lyrics. So what you're going to do is tap on your settings here, your account there, and you tap on that. You tap on your settings too as well. So on your settings, just tap on general, and you can see restricted mode. Tap on that. Good. And you can see this is the device, so you just turn it on. So on this device, I have that turned on, so I don't listen to songs that have, matured type of lyrics or content, something like that. So what you need to do is, you can't do it on your mobile phone. If your child is using YouTube Music but the mail is yours, or you control the mail, you need to open their YouTube Music and do that. So if they turn it off, they can listen to music, this type of music, if you're not around. But then you can be checking their history to also get to know that. So I think I have a video on how you can be checking the history of YouTube Music. You can be checking your YouTube Music history too as well, so you can also be checking that to get to know the type of music they are listening to. So that's it on how you filter matured content on YouTube Music. If you are new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.